Hello fellow foodies, welcome to Blogging Good Food. In today's video, we have got a treat for all of you. The best chicken dinner recipes. Whether you are looking for quick and easy ideas or healthy option, we have got you covered. First up, let's satisfy those weeknight cravings with some quick and easy chicken dinner recipes. These are perfect for busy vlogs on the go. Check out these mouth-watering options. From zesty lemon herb chicken to delicious one-pan chicken fajitas, these recipes are a breeze to whip up. If you are looking to keep things on the lighter side, we have got some healthy chicken dinner recipes that are as nutritious as they are delicious. Dive into these guilt-free choices like grilled chicken with refreshing summer salad and scrumptious baked lemon garlic chicken. Eating well has been dissatisfied. Now, let's talk family-friendly chicken dinner recipes. These dishes are sure to satisfy even the biggest eaters at your table. Feast your eyes on these crowd players. From cheesy chicken enchiladas to a classic chicken pot pie. These recipes are bound to become family favorites. Craving some cozy comfort food? Our next category has you covered with delectable chicken dinner quesadillas. These budding beauties are a healthy delight. Don't miss out on creamy chicken Alfredo casserole and ultimate chicken and rice casserole. Calling all keto enthusiasts, we have got a special category just for you with mouth-watering chicken keto recipes. These low-carb creations will keep you on a track. Feast your eyes on keto-friendly dishes like buffalo chicken, wraps, and cheesy cauliflower chicken casserole. But wait, there are more. If you are in mood for some tasty chicken appetizers, look no further. Get your party started with these savory parts such as spicy chicken wings and crispy chicken tenders with dipping sauces galore. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey around the world? Our international chicken delight category will taste birds on the adventure. Explore global flavors with dishes like spicy Indian tikka masala, savory Thai coconut curry chicken, and mouth-watering Italian chicken parmesan. This international chicken recipe will transport your plate to different corners of the globe. And that is a wrap. Vlogs, we hope you found this video helpful. Remember, you can find the full recipes and more on our website, blogginggoodfood.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.